We are pleased to show you the 2025 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.